Although Rutherford proved that plum pudding theory was not correct, but there is also some failure of the Rutherford atomic model, because Rutherford said that electrons revolve around the nucleus continuously, or according to classical theory of um, charge particles, continuously moving charge particles. The classical theory said that if any charge particle revolve continuously, it also emit energy continuously. If it emit energy continuously, definitely its energy will be lower and lower with the passage of time. Or Rutherford said that electrons also revolve continuously, and electrons are also charged particles. Therefore, if they revolve continuously, they also emit energy continuously, and gradually their energy will be low and low, and they will fall into the nucleus, and the existence of atom and stability of atom will be vanished, and will not be occur, and atoms could not be stable. The second failure is that he said that nature of spectrum. If the electrons emit energy continuously, and when they record the spectrum and the image of the radiations on a detector, they observe that they produce continuous spectrum. It is the visible range of different range of colors, visible region, and they should produce continuous spectrum and continuous colors, visible region, visible colors, and visible region colors. So but instead it produce line spectrum, because it's mean electrons does not revolve continuously, but and how they revolve, and what is the exact position of electrons around the nucleus, and when they emit energy, it will be explained later by Bohr. And so these are the two failures of Rutherford theory. and and we know that, you can see here is the diagram: nucleus in the middle, and electrons revolve. Negatively charged electron revolves in orbits around the nucleus, and very small positively charged nucleus. Negatively charged electrons and positively charged nucleus. If negatively charged revolve electron, they would so the revolving electron would lose energy and fall into the nucleus, and the atom would be unstable. We know that atoms are stable, but if we follow the Rutherford theory and model, he said that they emit energy continuously, and if they emit energy continuously, they could not be stable, but we know that atoms are stable. And next was the spectrum. And what is the spectrum? Continuous spectrum shows all the wavelength of visible light. When the energy is emitted from the revolving electrons, it could be recorded on a detector, and it show the continuous spectrum. You can see on the continuous spectrum this type of spectrum. But when the experiment is done, scientists observed that there was the line spectrum instead of continuous spectrum. Line spectrum is that in which black lines are colored background, certain wavelengths are missing. Line spectrum is that in which only some line with background color are produced, and some are missing. This means the continuous spectrum is not produced by revolving electrons. That's why it was the second failure of Rutherford atomic model, and it was corrected by next Bohr. So till we will discuss Bohr atomic theory in our next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and have a nice day.